Why is protective emblem misuse a war crime? Imagine a symbol that stands for safety, neutrality, and protection during war. Now picture someone using that symbol to deceive or harm others. That's what we call misuse of protective emblems. These symbols include the red cross, red crescent, and red crystal. They are recognized worldwide under international humanitarian law, especially the Geneva Conventions. These emblems mark medical personnel, hospitals, and humanitarian objects, showing they must not be attacked. When someone misuses these emblems, it damages their trust and purpose. It can lead to serious harm for those who relying on their protection. Misusing these emblems is considered a war crime because it involves perfidy. Perfidy is when someone tricks the enemy by pretending to be protected when they are not. For example, if a combatant wears a Red Cross emblem to hide an attack, they are deceiving the enemy. This act breaks the core rule of the laws of war, which says parties must tell apart fighters from civilians or protected persons. When the emblem is used to deceive, it puts real medical workers and civilians in danger. It makes it harder for the enemy to know who is protected and who is a threat. There are three main ways the law forbids misuse of emblems. The first is imitation, where someone creates a symbol that looks very similar to the real one, causing confusion. The second is improper use, when someone displays the emblem without permission or for reasons that don't serve humanitarian goals. The third is perfidy, which is using the emblem to trick the enemy during fighting, often leading to injuries or death. Perfidy is the most serious because it directly endangers lives and undermines trust in the symbols of protection. International law, including the Geneva Conventions and the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, clearly states that perfidious misuse is a war crime. Those who commit it can face criminal charges. This is because such acts threaten the safety of medical personnel, humanitarian workers, and civilians. When the protective meaning of the emblem is lost or questioned, it can cause attacks on hospitals and aid workers. It can also block access to those in need of help. Countries that are part of the Geneva Conventions must create laws and penalties to prevent misuse. They must also punish those who break these rules, whether during peace or war. In real life, misuse of protective emblems can escalate violence. It blurs the line between civilians and combatants, making it easier for attackers to target innocent people. It also discourages medical and humanitarian workers from doing their vital jobs. Protecting the integrity of these symbols is essential for saving lives and maintaining respect for international humanitarian law. When these emblems are respected, they help keep civilians safe and ensure that aid reaches those who need it most.